Hi guys, welcome to this waakye recipe. It's very easy and simple to learn. So for this waakye, the beans you have to get is the brown beans. The brown beans, not the white beans. That's known as the cowpea beans. No, you have to get the brown beans, and you have to get your rice as well. Mostly these brown beans are very hard as compared to the other beans. So what we do is we sometimes soak them in water for them to become soft a little bit, then we boil them. I poured a half spoon of cooking soda in the beans, the boiling beans, to make them soft and cook faster. Beans always try to boil over when it's on fire, with or without a cooking soda. In Ghana, mostly we have something we call a kiln. It's just like a cooking soda. It sometimes comes in the form of stone or powder. Make sure the boiling beans is really soft and pour in the right quantity of rice you want. You can see the beans is really brown. In Ghana, we have a leaf that we add to it to give it a brownish color. But in India here, I don't have the leaves here, so I just use the brown beans to make sure I get the color. Add enough water to the boiling rice and beans and place in some salt to give it nice taste. With the stew, I've already prepared a Ghanaian chicken stew, which is on my channel, that you can go to the playlist food and check it out. This is the final result of my special waakye. The black sauce on it is called sheaths. Next time I'll be teaching you how to make sheaths. Ghanaians eat waakye 3 times in a day. It's really special.
This is what we call food. This is what we call Ghana is in India. What the food? No, I can attest to the culinary skills of PB Sencherey. Do all. But I do all.
Amen.
Amen. Say it. Amen.
Ah, boy, shut up now.
Then I got and one year fed, you know.
Too many rough.
What about
Mm.
what about doing? Winning Shitudi.
Live in India. Proud courtesy of Patrick.
One trick. What about hat trick, Anna? Leave down a comment below and do not forget to check out the rest of my videos on this channel, PB Sencherey, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.